शिक्षा यूट्यूब चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और नए अपडेट्स के लिए बेल आइकन पर क्लिक करें।
Hello, I'm Arvia Soumya. I'm a PGP2 student of IIM Udaipur. So let's take you to the lane of IIM Udaipur. IIM Udaipur is located in a valley. As you can see, I'm sitting right in my college campus. And the connectivity is amazing. We have airport and bus services all the time over here. And coming down to what IIM Udaipur is famous for, it's famous for its research and case-based studies that we do every day in our classrooms. So let's talk about the diversity in IIM Udaipur. We have 60% engineers and 40% non-engineers, which I feel is a good ratio. And apart from that, we have 67% of people who have a work ex and 37% of people who are freshers. And again, different perspectives from both the sides, so it's amazing. And moving on to the facilities that we have, I believe we have one of the best facilities in our campus, coming down to departmental stores or even a medical store which is open 24/7. Then we have a big library which is world class, and a lot of other facilities which such as gym, yoga room, etc. And the most important is the Bloomberg lab with 12 systems in it where you can go and research whatever you want to do. So let's talk about rules and regulations that we have. So our college is very particular about academics. It's very important for us to abide by the rules, and attendance is a must. And usually we prefer wearing smart casuals, and that's how our students should be. So that's the thing. And other than that, moving on to the industry visits, we have Netratva, wherein we see a lot of different kinds of leaders coming to our campus to enlighten us about different things that is going on in the industry and what a life lesson should be. And then the best part, the cultural fest. We see three kinds of fests. One is Sport Fest, named as Utkrisht, where we engage in a lot of sports activities, and we also try to engage people from Udaipur in the same. And the second is Solaris, the Management Fest of IIM Udaipur, where we again see a lot of students coming from different colleges to participate in different management activities, and we see a lot of leaders coming in from Google, IBM, etc., which is very enlightening. And the very best is Audacity, which sees a lot of participants participating in a lot of cultural activities, and it sees amazing stars coming in to perform, and it's the best fest ever. So let's start with a typical day of a student at IIM Udaipur. Well, that's weird because a normal day can never be typical for a student at IIM Udaipur. It's always different, always. So, but some things remain common. So I would talk about it first. That since academic rigor is very much over here, we attend all our classes in the morning. Usually in the first year. In the second year, it varies from ranges from 8 a.m. in the morning to 8 p.m. In the night. So that's the difference. But apart from that, after the classes, we engage in a lot of different activities depending upon the interest of a person, such as some people really like participating in case studies, or even we have a startup club over here. So they try to engage people in building their own products and try to launch them. Then we have a lot of different clubs for each of the interests you can imagine. We have dramatics club, we have singing music club, we have dance club. So, and we have dedicated rooms for each one of these, and the rooms are world class. you would just love being in, especially the music room of IIM Udaipur. It's like no other in India. And the kind of facilities we get, we have a gym, we have yoga rooms. So usually students try and manage their time to allocate it to each one of these, depending on their liking. And also we try to finish all our pre-reads so that we are prepared for the next class tomorrow. And believe me, we have a lot of readings to do, but we still manage to do the other things because of our passion. So that's how a day goes like. And so yeah, that's a short synopsis of what IIM Udaipur is, and hope you guys would want to be here, because IIM Udaipur is going to be one of the biggest colleges of India in coming years. And I'm not just saying so, but I believe so. Thank you.